Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. So in this video we're gonna see that how you can change the skin color to golden. So I am pressing Ctrl plus J at the same time to take a new layer. So what we have to do, we just have to go to filter, then click on camera raw filter. A new window will pop up, and okay, so here it is. What you have to do, you just have to move the slider of temperature to the right side just a little bit. Okay, you can play with the other sliders as well. For example, I'm going to change the clarity. I guess this is fine. Increasing texture as well a little bit, and then whites. Okay, I guess this is fine for me. I'm pressing OK. In the previous versions of Photoshop, the effect is added on the background as well, but as for new version, Photoshop detects the subject first, then start working on that. So for checking the results, I'm hiding my new layer, so you can see that the effect is clear in both. So let's check. I'm pressing my delete key. You can compare both at the same time. Thanks for watching.